It is a mess in here, post burnout, but we gotta get some scrapping to do. I'm gonna save that for the last minute because I gotta break that down, get the brass off of the service valves, and a bunch of other stuff. You know, so that's pure copper. I can't even pick that up. That's heavy. And then right beside it, I got a trash can full of wire, about a dozen or two coils, hella compressors, hella fan motors. We about to take this to the scrapyard, see how much we get. HVAC people, can y'all tell me which one of these compressors is the heaviest? Y'all been in the game for a while. Y'all seen these compressors. Which one of y'all think, which one of these y'all think is the heaviest? I got two more in there I'm gonna save for the next haul, and two more coils. What y'all think? And we got ourselves a nice little haul. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11 compressors, 12, 13 fans, 30 fans total. I'm just gonna save those two fans and two compressors for the next haul. And then we got hella coils up in here. I think about 12 of them. And I got one micro channel and one aluminum coil inside the storage unit. So let's go hit the scrap yard and see what we get. This is all birthday money right here.